After tracing, smooth out the wrinkles on the t-shirt, then pin the back and front layer of the t-shirt together to prepare for cutting. Go ahead and pin your t-shirts. There are many types of scissors, but the scissors we will be using is a fabric scissors. Cut along the trace lines and ensure you cut both the back and front of the t-shirt. By cutting both back and front, you will get 2 outer layers and 6 inner layers. If you don't like your pad to be too thick or bulky, you can opt for 4 inner layers instead of 6, but it will be slightly less absorbent. Now, go ahead and cut out your patterns.